Another important message shared by Abhigya and a story about the wolf and the chicken. For the first time, I'm going to go point by point about Abhigya's video. Instead of wasting time, guys, let's go straight to the video. Vanakkam Tamilas, welcome back to my channel. This is Dubai Tamilans YouTube channel and my name is Yeshi. This is my fifth video regarding Abhigya's video. It's just a review and a reaction. Mainly I'm sharing with you guys my opinion about Abhigya's videos. And I want you guys to watch this video till the end because end of this video, I will be sharing with you guys regarding Sadhguruji and Abhigya's video which Abhigya had to speak in a higher tone, I think in a rude way, and what I came to know about that video and what did the public, mainly the viewers, commented on that video. I am going to share with you guys. So I want you to watch this video till the end. It's important, guys. So Abhigya says a message to the public during this lockdown. Then he speaks about Mother Nature, Mother Earth, and then he says how to prevent this virus and not to trouble the economic. And then this is one thing which I believe, I think, to stop watching the media. Yes, media, it's something very, very important. We should all know most of the media channels are not showing, mainly in India, are not sharing the right information. There are few of them who are really giving out the best information, and I have already spoken about that in my channel. The best medias are there in India, but not all. If you say out of 100, I think around 5 or 6 are really good. Rest of them is just making money. That's it. So he says not to see the media, the TV, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, most of the social media. And he also says that this will bring fear to us and our body will get low by getting scared and this and that. And then he says, no need to get scared. You don't need to be afraid of anything. You got to be strong and face this world. I think I've said this before. The media is the fastest virus. The media is the biggest virus, and it's more faster than this coronavirus. I've said this before in my videos. And then he says to stop buying food from Zomato, mainly online if you're in India, to stop buying food from outside in this lockdown period. And he also recommends people to cook at home, eat the home food instead of buying food from outside. Actually, here in Dubai, we have completely stopped. It's almost more than a month. But I miss a lot of food from outside. Anyhow, I have to break it by not eating outside food. And then he says, on August 22nd, which is on 2019, he predicted about this coronavirus, which I've also said on my first video. His prediction was there, and I've also watched that video, which is the truth. And then he was saying that during the eclipse, the countries which will get affected is mainly Asia. So, yeah, he was saying this. And then he also says that very soon he's going to share another video where he's going to talk about from where this coronavirus came, for what it came, how it came, and why it came. That's going to be very interesting, guys. I'm waiting for that video. To be honest, I am really waiting for that video. Abhigya says there's another eclipse coming, and he will inform us, he will share with us the date and the time of the next eclipse. And he advised everyone to mainly not to be out on the eclipse period. And he says that you can stand out to see the sun, and facing the sun is much more better. So he said that during eclipse, you should not come out. But apart from that, you can get that sun. I forgot that name at this moment. This is actually a very, very important thing. He says sitting more than an hour, it's very dangerous. This, I think I have spoken on my previous videos when I'm posting the videos for UAE news updates. I do share with everyone saying that workout is very, very important. You don't need to go to gym. You don't need to carry dumbbells and put on 6 packs and all just to burn the calories. Just do walking in the house. You can do push-ups. You can do sit-ups and a lot of things. Just to keep yourself fit, it is very important. Workout is very, very important in this period. This is true. I agree with this. And then he breaks another information saying that there's another dangerous thing which is going to happen in December 14th this year and on December 22nd and then on February. What the? Then he talks about karma. I also believe on this. Bad karma, good karma, something which I really, really look into. When you do something good, for sure in return you get something good. When you do something bad, it might not hit you immediately, but for sure it will hit you one day. And I really, really believe and I follow this karma thing. They say what goes around comes around. Karma is, I don't want to say that word, but yes, karma is a very, very powerful thing. You do something good, for sure, somehow, from somewhere, from somebody, what you wanted, you will get it one day, for sure, for sure. But if you do something bad, you will never know. Your own blood might. So believe in karma, guys. It is true. You have to believe in karma. Then, then he says this. Social media distancing is better and it's much more better than social distancing outside, which is true. No, actually, see, if you ask me, I am following the right channel in India to get the right news. Since I'm in UAE, all the channels here in UAE, they don't give fake information, they don't share fake things, they don't share rumors, and they don't talk about unwanted things. What is the point? They come to the point. What is important? They share. Whether it's local, international, sports, weather, everything. But in India, like I said, out of 100 channels, 6 channels, they speak the truth, they share the right information, they fight for the right information, and they give the right information. But the other channels, which are around 94 channels, are totally fake, and they just get money out of just doing rumors and getting the TRP. That's it. So he speaks many more informations. Regarding his video, like always, his video's link will be in the description below. End of that video, his sister had to share the story about the wolf and the chicken, which I didn't have time to watch. But I like her. She's a very sweet girl. She sings very well. She's also a very knowledgeable kid. In fact, the entire family is very, very intelligent. Like I always say, the credit goes to the family. So guys, before I go to the topic regarding Sadhguru and Abhigya's video which I posted last week, I just want you to share me your comments regarding his point of view for this video. And this is basically what happened, what he mentioned on that video. And I've shared with you completely the same thing, but I've given my opinion. So I want you to share your opinion with me as well. So, you know, I love talking about the planets. I love someone talks about the planets. I love someone talks about the future. I love someone talks about, you know, this stars, Jupiter, Mars. You know, I love that. I don't know why. That's the reason why I completely started to watch Conscience, which is Abhigya's channel. And I was like, wow, when I watched his first video, second video, third was about his mother and all this stuff and all. So I'm more into that. By the way, this is not about religion. This is not about anything. This is about science. I feel me listening to this and I get a point of view. But yes, I don't take it on a religion point of view. I take it on an education point of view to know more what's going to happen, what's happening. So long, whatever his prediction was, so far went good. But there are some people against it. So let's see how it goes. I'm following him. I will surely share with you guys my opinion. So guys, this is a very, very important thing. Sadhguruji and Abhigya's video, which mainly Abhigya spoke about Sadhguru 2 years back. And that video was passed to me by a subscriber. And I was shocked to see that he had to speak in a very different way. Today, the way Abhigya is, I don't think so. I was even thinking he wasn't the guy who I saw recently, so kind, educated, talented. But the video which I saw 2 years back was extremely, you know, like, bah! It was like rude. But, you know, I had to interact and I had to speak with a lot of my subscribers, and most of them were saying that Sadhguru is absolutely right, and for sure he is right because he's experienced, he's a master, he is having knowledge beyond anything. And the other side, there were very few people who were supporting Abhigya and saying that he's a kid, he's talented, he's just growing, and I'm sure he's going to grow more better than Sadhguruji and stuff like that. My point of view is, see, both of them are individually good in their own side. Sadhguruji, like I always say, if you guys saw the previous video, I've already said that you cannot compare a 16-year-old cricketer with Sachin Tendulkar. You know, the master is always a master, and maybe the 16-year-old might be like Sachin Tendulkar, or maybe better than Sachin Tendulkar. We'll never know. So that's why I say you cannot compare him. But if you see what is my idea, what I feel about this is they both equally are on the same track, but Sadhguruji is more beyond many things, and Abhigya, he's just climbing up right now, and I'm sure he'll also be on a great platform, because the way he's predicting, the way he's speaking, each word, I think that's not a child who speaks, it's something like an adult who speaks. His knowledge is beyond as well, but the age which really matters. That's why the video which was posted 2 years back, which was rude and he was shouting about Sadhguruji, that was actually making me feel sad and was a little bit worried. But then, you know, a child, you'll never know. But now I think for the past 2 years he's already good, but I don't see that anger on him right now. So that's one thing, guys. So yes, my answer for this is both of them are on different, good on a different way, and I cannot compare them. I should not compare them because Sadhguruji is and Abhigya, he's a young guy who for sure, or maybe he will hit the peak and be better than Sadhguru or equally to Sadhguru. We'll never know. Yes, Sadhguruji is always a legend, and he's learning, so you'll never know. But yes, I am shocked and I'm surprised to see a young guy who's so knowledgeable. That's it. So my answer, completely, both are equal, both are super in their own way, and I'm not going to compare a legend versus a child or a child with a legend. Simple as that. You can also share me your opinion regarding this. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video till now. And like I always say, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and give me a like if you like this video. Share this video with your family and friends who loves to talk about education, about science, about Earth, about planets and all this stuff, mainly about prediction. And please do pass me your comments in the comment section below, which is very, very important. I do want to know how you guys think about my videos, my opinions. It'll be actually very supportive for me to know. And in the same time, I want you guys to follow me on my social media, which is on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, which is Dubai Tamilan 1. My YouTube channel is Dubai Tamilan, but my official social media name is Dubai Tamilan 1. I don't know who took this name, Dubai Tamilan, which is in social media. Anyhow, I hope he gives up and goes away. I can take it. Anyways, I'm not going to change it. So I'm happy to have that name, which is Dubai Tamilan 1. And so yes, my channel is all about, basically, I do a lot of news, and I share a lot of news. I spread a lot of awareness in UAE, the right thing and a good thing. And in the same time, I'm basically a travel blogger, a music mixer, a movie reviewer, trailer, teaser, reaction. I give reactions, but now I've stopped everything because this lockdown period is more important, and I want to share the best thing to the public and to everyone so that they're aware of what's happening, because most of them are not watching the news and they're just taking things serious and they're just taking things light. So I'm just trying to spread the awareness. I read a lot of news here in UAE and I give them on a daily basis. It's just not like a news report. It's something like I share the updates. That's it. So guys, have a beautiful Wednesday. I'm sure it's going to be Thursday in another few minutes or few hours. I'm not sure when this video is going to get posted, but yes, it should be posting. It should be in YouTube around 1 or 2 a.m. in the morning. So let's see. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I want you guys to support my channel, and it'll be very nice. Yes. So thank you. I will see you guys as soon as possible regarding Abhigya's topic in another video when he posts something interesting, and I will share with you guys my opinion. Have a beautiful Thursday, guys. Peace. Alright guys, this is my interesting part. You see this picture of mine? That's the subscribe button. Simple. Click it and watch all these 3 videos about Abhigya. Have a nice Thursday.